Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon,
बेटा
sir.
who is with the name multi choice creator? कौन बच्चा है बेटा?
Sir, I am.
बेटा please rename yourself.
Yes, sir, I am.
कार्तिक शंकर बेटा आपके बाल बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं. वेरी गुड.
Good
कार्तिक
afternoon, sir.
गुड आफ्टरनून. कार्तिक बेटा तुम्हारे बाल बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं. कहाँ चले गए?
Today we will start the new chapter.
We have completed 6.3. Two questions are left, I think.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Two questions are left. Sir, we will do them.
Yes, we will do these questions today. 2 or 3 कितने रह गए? 3 रह गए शायद. Yes, 3 questions are left.
Yes, sir, three. Yes, sir, three. Two. No, sir,
Very
two.
good beta. Very good. Very good. Very good. 3
Yes,
questions
sir,
left.
three are left.
चलिए भाई करते.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, you can tell the answer to.
Answer 2 you want to know?
Yes, sir, I have to check.
Okay, I'm telling you the answer. Just let me take out the question. Yes, the answer of the second question is 5789. This is the other number. Second number जो हमको निकालना था. This is 5789. कार्तिक
Sir,
बेटा
we
बाल
are
आपके
on.
बहुत अच्छे हैं. शर्मा जाता है लड़का. मैं कहता हूँ बाल
आपकी
अच्छे
घरवाली
हैं.
भी ऐसी बात?
मैं कहता हूँ बाल अच्छे हैं, शर्मा जाता है. मैं भी ऐसे ही बाल हेयर कट करवा लूँ
Sir,
बेटा. कार्तिक बेटा कहाँ से हेयर कट करवाया है? मैं भी वही हेयर कट करवा ले रहा हूँ. कहाँ से करवाया बेटा आपने?
सर लोग बार्बर की शॉप से ही कराते हैं कट और
नहीं,
कहाँ से कराते हैं?
बार्बर की शॉप से तो कराते ही हैं. कौन सी बार्बर की शॉप से कराते हैं? सबके एक ही बार्बर की शॉप से कराते हैं क्या?
Sir, we have started the word problems. And sir, we have done the first one also.
We have done the word problems.
Sir, we have done second also.
The second word problem we have done. We have to do the
Third one.
third one. Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes. बोलिए बोलिए बोलिए.
Sir, but I have not done the second one. Answer of first word problem. Wait, sir, you can do this in the board.
Answer of
First word problem.
first word problem.
Yes, sir.
ओके बेटा 1 मिनट वेट करो. मैं फर्स्ट कराया था बेटा कल.
Yes, sir. But
I did it on the board or not? कल कराया था मैंने बोर्ड पे.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अच्छा एक सेकंड रुकिए. मैं सॉल्व कर देता हूँ. कोई बात नहीं, दोबारा कर देता हूँ बेटा. एक सेकंड बेटा होल्ड करो.
We'll do the second one also. Sir, today only we will start the new chapter, the new theory method.
सॉरी. सॉरी बेटा क्या कह रहे हो?
Sir, today only we will start the unitary method or tomorrow.
यूनिटरी मेथड देखते हैं. मे बी टुमारो. लेट्स सी. फर्स्ट वाला देखना है आपको, कौन सा देखना है?
Sir,
फर्स्ट वन।
sir, 581250 divided by 465.
ओके ठीक है, जस्ट अ मिनट। देखो बेटा, फर्स्ट वाला देखिए, ये लो बेटा, this is the solution of the first one, the whole solution. Is it there on your screen?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Nehit, have you done?
Yes, sir. I've done.
Done?
Yes, sir.
चलो बेटा, थर्ड क्वेश्चन करें।
Yes, sir.
So we have to leave the second question.
We have done the second, beta. We have done. We did the second one yesterday only.
Yesterday I can't able to attend the class because I was coming back from Rampur.
You were coming back from Rampur.
Yes,
Excuse me, sir. Sir, by mistake, I have write the question.
Beta, you try the second one today in homework. Adya, ठीक है?
Sir, can you show the second one question? I will take the screenshot.
नहीं, you try it on your own, Adya. It is my suggestion. You try it on your own. Okay. अगर नहीं आएगा, then I will tell you tomorrow. It's better you try. No, you can do it. You are a very good girl. You are very good in maths. है ना?
Sir, by mistake, I have write the question number 1 also.
अच्छा अच्छा।
The first.
चलिए, let's do question 3, everyone.
Sir, I have written the question number 3.
You have done, Adeshika, you have done question 2?
Yes, sir, I have done question 3. Sir, question 3, not 2.
Okay, let's do
Sir, can we
exercise.
start from starting question 1.
Exercise 6.3, question number 3. Question 3, Adeshika, can you read the question? I will explain it.
Yes, sir. Third question. A bus can accommodate 125 pupils. How many buses will be required to transport 49,375 pupils?
Try to explain the question, Adeshika. Just read it in your mind again and try to.
In one bus,
Hmm.
in one bus, 125 pupils are there. And how much buses are required for 49,375 pupils?
Okay.
How many buses are required?
So what we should do to find this?
Sir, divide.
Divide what by what?
Sir, 125 to 49,375. 75.
Very good. चलो भाई करें फिर. So there are total
6.4.
yeah, 6.4. Sorry. By mistake I wrote 6.3 because we were doing 6.3 in the previous class. I am sorry.
I am starting from question 1.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा. Adya, you can start from question 1. Okay. Adya, can you do these 5 questions today? First, second, I think first, second, third, these three questions you can do in this period only, and then the remaining questions you can do in homework. जो भी बचेंगे, ठीक है?
Okay.
I know you can do. Total number of people, कितने people हैं भाई? Total number of people कितने हैं जिनको लेके जाना है कहीं से? 49,375. 49,375 people are there. Number of people that can be accommodated.
Sir, you can do the second one. No
अरे
problem.
in a bus. बेटा अभी कर दूंगा, रुक जाओ अभी कर दूंगा मैं, ठीक है? Don't worry. Number of people that can be accommodated in a bus equal to 125. Okay. So number of buses required to accommodate 49,375 people. So number of buses required. $49,375 divided by 125. डिवाइड करिए बेटा, चलो आप लोग डिवाइड करो, 1 मिनट में डिवाइड करके दिखाइए, बहुत इजी डिवीजन है ये, दिस इज वेरी इजी, करिए।
Excuse me, sir.
यस
Excuse me, sir. Sir, in the third statement, number of buses required is equals to 49375 divided by 125. We can also put a question mark in the
नहीं
place of
बेटा,
number.
व्हाई विल बी पुट अ क्वेश्चन मार्क? नो,
Uh,
नहीं
to
नहीं
show this
नहीं
we not
बेटा,
know.
नहीं नहीं, अच्छा मतलब यू वांट टू शो दैट कि वी डोंट नो दिस? नहीं बेटा,
Then we multiply.
नहीं, आप ऐसे कर लो, डोंट डोंट पुट अ क्वेश्चन मार्क, ऐसे कर लो जैसे मैंने लिखा है, ठीक है?
Sir, answer is 395.
वेरी गुड बेटा, वेरी गुड।
So the answer is, so I can type the answer in the chat box.
Beta, yes, please send your answer in the chat box. All of you, your time is up. टाइम खत्म हो गया बेटा, मैं कर रहा हूँ ये बोर्ड पर। आंसर बताओ बेटा।
Sir, I have written answer 1.
Sir, the answer is 395.
Very good, Nihit. Who else has done it? Third one.
Sir, I have completed answer 1.
Very good, Adya. Very good. Adya, you can start the second one also.
Okay,
या
sir.
आद्या बेटा ये काम करिए, आप पहले थर्ड कर लो, थर्ड फोर्थ फिफ्थ कर लो आप पहले। सेकेंड वन यू कैन डू लेटर ऑन, ठीक है? ओके
Okay, sir.
118 इज द रिमाइंडर। 7 नीचे लिख लिया भाई हमने। नाउ 9 टाइम्स जाएंगे, यस 9। 1125 रिमाइंडर बचा बेटा।
So then some question of
65
6.3.
62 सॉरी, 5 कॉपी कर लिया नीचे। 625 हो गया। 5 टाइम्स चले जाओ। 625 minus 625 is 0. Therefore, the answer is 395 buses. Total number of buses required 395. बेटा फोर्थ वाला स्टार्ट करें। ऑल ऑफ यू डन विद द थर्ड वन?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's start the fourth one. I think this background is looking good. Red background. White is fine or not?
The white is fine. Yes, sir.
White
Yes,
is
sir,
also white is also fine. What about red? I think red is better, in my opinion. मतलब बाकी it's your choice. You all are very talented. चलिए बेटा क्वेश्चन 4 करते हैं। Question 4 is saying how many years will make 31,755 days? 31,755 days कितने years में होंगे बताइए? कितने years के equal होंगे ये हमको बताना है। So one year has how many?
100 years.
One year has how many days? Tell me.
Sir,
So 1 year has 365 days. And
One year has.
the leap year for year is 366 days.
तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ डेज यहाँ पर कितने दिए हुए हैं? वो आपको दिए हुए हैं 31,755। ठीक है। नंबर ऑफ डेज इन अ ईयर कितने होते हैं? नंबर ऑफ डेज इन अ ईयर, we know that number of days in a year are 365. तो नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स कितने हो जाएंगे? कैसे निकालेंगे आप नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स?
So we have to divide 31755 is divided by 365.
31755 divided by 365। चलो बेटा डिवाइड करो 365 से 31755 को। करिए जल्दी डिवाइड करिए।
बदबू आ रही है, थोड़ी नीचे कर लीजिए। जा सकती हैं, पद्दू भी आई है मुझे।
बेटा बेटा प्लीज कीप योर माइक ऑफ करके बोलो बेटा, तभी बोलना है। कहाँ से आ रही है बेटा बदबू?
That's nice, Vera.
मजा आ गया, आ गया।
Sir, I have done. And I have got an answer also. Can I tell you?
Wait beta wait, you can send your answer in the chat box.
Yes, I have sent, sir. So this division is very easy.
Sir, answer is 87.
Beta, all of you, have you all done? Time is up. 365 से divide करिए 8, 365 into 8. 8 into 5, 44. 48 plus 4, 52. 5, 24 plus 5, 29. Two nine two zero. 11 minus 9, 22. 5 यहाँ ले आओ बेटा. 7. 365 into 7 बेटा होते हैं 2555. ठीक है.
Sir, answer is 87.
0 is the remainder. Yes, answer is 87 years.
Sir, I am doing the fourth answer.
Very good, very good. Adya.
Sir, first I have completed the third one, then I have completed the second one also.
Very good. So this is the fourth one. All of you.
The answer of second one is 5789.
Absolutely correct. Second one. And the third one is 395. Is it also correct?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
So
Have
now
you-
I am doing the fourth
हाँ,
one.
do the fourth one, Adya. Have you all done fourth? May I remove it from the board?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's start with the fifth one. Fifth question. This is divide the largest 7-digit number by the largest 3-digit number. Very easy question. So first of all, write the largest 7-digit number. This type of question we have already done in the first exercise. So largest 7-digit number. Sorry. Largest 7-digit number is 99. 99 lakh 99,999. Okay. Now the largest 3-digit number जिससे हमको divide करना है. Largest 3-digit number is 999 only. Only 999. This is the largest 3-digit number. अब आपको इसको largest 7-digit number को largest 3-digit number से divide करना है. So 999 is the divisor and the dividend is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So 999 into 1 is equal to 999 minus किया 0 आ गया रिमाइंडर 000 नेक्स्ट 9 कॉपी किया, 9 कॉपी करने के बाद यू विल सी दैट दिस इज स्मॉलर देन 999, तो 0 लगा दिया। एक और 9 कॉपी किया, 99 इज स्टिल स्मॉलर देन 999, वन मोर 0, एक और 0 लगाना पड़ा। एक और 9 कॉपी कर लिया, 999, now this is equal to 999, so that means you will go one time, so you
Zero,
get 9,
0. Sir,
you get 000 is the remainder, and finally you will copy this 9. अब आपने जब ये 9 copy किया, then you see that it is
Sir,
smaller than 999, so you will put another 0 here in the quotient, एक और 0 लगा दिया। So that means the number is not divisible, completely divisible नहीं हो रहा है, you are getting a remainder. So quotient is 10010 and the remainder is 0009 या फिर 9, एक ही बात है। Quotient is 10,010 and remainder is 9. Clear? Note it down in your copies, everyone.
sir, I have completed answer 4 also.
Very good, Adya. Have you all done the 5th one?
Yes, sir.
Sir, please wait.
Yes, have we all done? बेटा कंप्लीट हो गया आप सबका?
Excuse me. Sir, I have completed all my
Yes,
story
sir.
questions.
सॉरी बेटा.
Sir, I have completed all my story questions. Sir,
Very good.
first,
Very
third,
good.
best.
Very good, Adya. Excellent. Excellent, marvelous, tremendous. Hello, beta. This class time is over. We will continue with the next chapter tomorrow. Start with the next chapter tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.